People say I look like a pug, but I love pugs. I take that as a compliment. I like pugs. The flaps are pretty soft, squishy, and malleable. The bumps here, yeah, these are all part of the condition. What I enjoy about TikTok is just the way it's helped me express myself and put myself out there. That's definitely a benefit for me. My condition grew as I grew, right? So like NF1 means neurofibromatosis. Neuro meaning nerves, fibroma meaning fibers, matosis meaning mass. So like if you imagine like a regular nerve line, my nerve line is like, has a bunch of nerves, and for me it's covered in a plexiform. Bumps around my body and stuff. I started noticing my condition probably in about 7 or 8 years old. The bumps here, yeah, these are all part of the condition, yeah. That's a mole, that's different. But that's part of it. That's one of the biggest ones I have for sure. My chest has a bunch of bumps as well. When I started getting my following on social media and stuff, I always got the same kind of questions. Like, the biggest one was, how do you shave? I usually just say, how do you shave? Because, you know, it's shaving. You put the shaving cream on, just make sure you don't cut yourself. But the flaps are pretty soft, squishy, and malleable. So it's pretty easy to go. Just rub up against them and get it done.
Hey Nick.
Welcome, recce time.
You got breakfast? Nice. So how's it going on social media, you know, Instagram, TikTok?
Not bad. Haven't made a video for a while, but my videos still do pretty good. When I hopped on TikTok, it just took off. What I enjoy about TikTok is just the way it's helped me express myself.
There's no way you just use Face ID.
Dog, I'm surprised too. It's helped me get to where I am today.
So it's been a while, you want to make one today?
I'm down, dude. I'm thinking some. Let's do it.
Alright.
My little brother, he's been a rock through all this my entire life. He's always like supported me and defended me through high school.
Nick was looked at in the hallways differently. It was weird because I'm the younger brother, but I'd try to be protective of him. We've had some problems in high school, but nothing we couldn't get over. And as brothers, that makes us stronger.
Growing up, I guess looking back in retrospect, it was different than most like people, but at the same time, it felt like, you know, a normal experience for the, because, you know, it's normal for me, right? We go down there, I can pull up and like say, we just got back from your mother's house.
Close to the surgery, just maybe spread the message. I don't know.
So more about the surgery? What about if we said they wouldn't let me on the plane? I gotta take this. There's no other way.
Said you need to be double vaxxed for the surgery to fly. So you're gonna take the lawnmower all the way.
How many surgeries do you have so far?
So far, just the 2, but this third one coming up is gonna be my most extensive, biggest surgery yet. It's definitely gonna be a big difference. People always say, "Oh, you're perfect the way you are. You know, don't let them go," and stuff like that. And I'm completely comfortable with how I look and how I am. But this surgery is more so for the fact that I want the weight to be gone, and I'd love to contribute to the research and development of NF1 and the surgeries that come with it.
It's a good idea, I think. I hope so.
I gotta go all the way to Ontario. It wouldn't let me fly, so we gotta take this. It's gonna be a long trek, but we got this, fam. Let's do it.
Yeah, I watch all of Nick's TikToks, and I think it's great the way he expresses himself on the internet. TikTok's such a massive platform, and it's getting him a lot of recognition.
On TikTok, I say I love my flaps, right? So what I mean by that is that these flaps here, like, there's a few of them, and in the crevices of the flaps, like, I'm able to hold stuff and, like, use it more like a utility tool. If I can demonstrate here. A ping pong ball, right? Like, that can fit right in there, no problem. I don't think the surgery is going to affect me too much, but at the same time, like, the last one kind of did mentally. It kind of helped me get to where I am now. So I'm hoping to find out that, you know, brings me the idea that there's more to life than just living it one way. I never imagined I would get this many followers from the posting and from anything like that. Extremely grateful for what it has become.
I really love Nick's TikTok page, his videos. His videos crack me up a lot of the time. But it also helps a lot of people that are in similar positions to Nick and have whatever going on in their lives, and it shows them that you can do something with any adversity that you're faced with. A lot of people just sit down and just say, you know, woe is me. But Nick has really taken it, and he's made himself stronger with it.
If condition was all gone, I would definitely miss it because it's part of who I am, right? And like I've grown accustomed to it, and I'm a fan of it myself. Even if there was an option to get it all removed, I don't think I would take that. To still have the condition and still have that as a part of my identity is pretty important to me, for sure.